Hey folks, welcome back to another options challenge update. And last week was pretty good. I'm up nearly $700 for the week. So at the end of week 18, I'm at about 1400. Not bad, getting closer to the yellow line here, which is where I should be if I want to be on track. The $686 gain is mostly from the stock appreciation, but also $283 was options premiums earned. Last week on Monday, which was right here, I mentioned that based on this green channel, the stock would likely go higher, and at the end of Friday I kind of expected it to be between 104 and 94, so that's where I put my calls and my puts. It looks like that's where the stock ended right here on Friday at around 97.50. So what about for this week? Let's move this slider over to Friday the 25th, which is going to be at the end of this week, 4 days away. Today, Google is down quite a bit. It's down about 1.35%. If I zoom out a little bit, I think we're still within this one because we haven't broken down below 94 yet. I think what's going to mostly happen this week, if the market does sell off, it'll probably fall to this blue line before going back up into this range again, because this EMA does act as support. And if we go up starting from tomorrow, then the stock could go up to 104, which is the resistance line of this channel. So there's a Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday, but I don't think there's any major economic news that's going to come out. So I'm pretty comfortable with my put at 94 and my call at 104, pretty much the same as last week. So let's take a look at the option chain here for Google. The IV is kind of low, it's only 26. So I'm not going to get as much premiums if I choose the same like 94 and 104. You can see the 94 put only 36 cents, and then the 104 is only 2 cents. So the 104 is almost not even worth it to sell that call, because on the upside you make $2, but on the downside, if the stock goes to 106, you lose hundreds of dollars. So what I think I'll do is maybe sell a at the money put option and maybe do a couple of those. So I like 97 and 95 because if I buy it 100 shares at 97, that will lower my cost basis down to $100. And if I buy another 100 shares at 95, then my ACB should drop to 99. So I'm going to sell the 97, and then I'm also going to sell the 95. Come down here to, let's try 225. Looks like the price is lower, so let's drop this down to 220 or 219.
Order filled.
Okay, so that filled at 218. So I basically don't have a call anymore, but I do have a $97 put and a $95 put. So my basic premise is the stock will continue to go higher and end the week somewhere inside this pink range here, so between like 104 to 95. So maybe the 97 put will get assigned. There's a small chance the 95 put will also get assigned, but if it does, that's fine. My average cost will be below $100 in that case for the stock. And at 218 minus $1.39 for commission, that's going to translate into 290 Canadian dollars for my premiums earned this week, assuming I don't close the options early. And the IV this week is 26. So one of the lowest IVs we've seen in a while. That's why I have to be a little bit more at the money or even in the money in order to make higher premiums. So I think that's it for today. I'm overall still bullish on the stock. I'm not going to do any calls this week because the premiums are just not worth it unless the strike price is like $100. But I think it's very easy for the stock to surpass 100 this week, so I'm not going to bother with that. Let's see where things go by the end of this week, which is where this dotted line is. Hopefully it's going to be above this 97 put that I have, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck with your investments, and I'll talk to you in the next one.